What is going on, everyone? My name is Brennan Dopp and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be teaching you how to make your first Etsy banner and your shop icon using Canva.com's free templates. It is super easy to use and no graphic design background needed. Let's jump into my computer and we'll get started. Alrighty, so before we get started designing, I just want to show you a quick example of what an Etsy banner and a shop icon would look like. Here's a simple example for you. And now we'll jump into our shop and I'll show you where this will appear in your shop. So we'll go to Etsy.com, sign in if you're not signed in already. And then if you are signed in, you'll click Shop Manager there on the top right hand side. Okay, here we are at our dashboard, and to your left side, you'll see the column there. You'll scroll down to the bottom, you'll see Etsy and your shop name. You'll click the pencil to the right. And this will take you to the area where you can begin editing your shop. At the top right hand side, or the top side, excuse me, you'll see the banner. And then that's what we'll be creating. And then below you'll see the shop icon. Okay, so we'll click on the banner first. I'll just show you the options that you have. You have the big banner. The big banner fills the top of your shop with one big image. And then the mini banner adds a visual pop while keeping the focus on your listing. So it's a little bit smaller. And it's your preference of what you want to do. But today we'll be creating a big banner and we'll walk you through step by step on how to do that. So let's go ahead and we'll jump into canva.com. You'll go to canva.com, that's canva.com, and you can create an account or you can do it without creating an account. If you want to save your graphics and all of your designs, I suggest creating a free account. If you don't care to save them, then you don't need to create an account. But we'll go ahead and I'll show you how to create an account. On the top right hand side, you'll click sign up. You can sign up with Google, your Google account, or with your Facebook, or sign up with email. We'll go ahead and sign up with our email. They'll ask you to enter your name, your password, and your email. Okay, then go ahead and sign up. They'll ask you a few more questions. You can choose to do personal or small business, whatever you prefer. Let's go ahead and do small business. And you can just skip all of this, it's not necessary. Maybe later. And you can skip this. So they do have a paid version. It has more options, but really for what we're doing, you don't need to pay for it. Everything that we'll be doing today is free, and they have everything that you need. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and start designing. A well-coordinated shop home captures visitors' attention, inspires buyer confidence, and has the potential to build long-term loyalty. Although they're two separate graphics, your shop icon and banner work in tandem to represent your brand as a whole. So we're going to walk you through step by step on first creating your banner and then your shop icon. So you'll see here in Canva, you have different options. You can use a pre-made template that they already have, or you can create one from scratch. Today we'll be doing our work based off a template. Makes it very easy and very quick to do. You don't need any graphic design experience, so it's great if you're just starting out. So what we'll do in that search bar at the top, or we'll search Etsy, and then the drop down will say Etsy shop cover. Go ahead and click that, and you'll see you can create a blank Etsy shop cover, or you can use one of the templates. So go ahead and scroll through here, check out all the different free templates that they have, and see one that you like. With these templates, you can adjust the font, the size of it, the color of the background, the color of the font. You can really customize it to make it your own and to give it the look that you want for your shop. So we're going to go ahead and choose this one here. And once it pulls up your template, you can go ahead and click on the template, and we'll do a brief overview of the different options you can do to customize it for your shop. You'll see you can change the font style. And they have a bunch of different free ones that you can use. There's a gold crown on some of them. That's for the paid version. Don't worry about those. Just use the free ones. There's plenty of options. You can adjust the size of the text by dragging it or enter it manually there next to the font. You can change the color. You can bold your text or italicize it. Change the positioning of it. And then you can also adjust the letter spacing or the line height. And add effects to it. So much you can do within Canva. And then you can also change the transparency of the text. And then one last cool feature is you can lock different parts of your design. So if you want to lock the background to edit the text, you can do that so that your background doesn't move. So really simple, really user-friendly. If you have no graphic design background, Canva is a great program for you to get started. So we'll go ahead and start designing our banner here. We'll have our shop name nice and bold so it's very easy to read. If you want to duplicate it to have the same type of font and similar style, you can just copy paste it and then enter your new text. We'll do Kavelakai clothing, and then you can add some elements. So there on the left hand side you'll see elements, and you can search for any type of graphic you'd want to add to your banner. A few tips with designing your banner: you want to use text sparingly and think if you can still read it on a mobile version, as most people shop on their phone. And then in the future you can also add highlighted products, add links, highlight milestones. The options are endless. So get creative. You can always change it too in the future. But for now we're just going to create a simple banner, very clear to read, that looks nice and is memorable. So we'll add our shop slogan. We'll do Kavelakai clothing designed with Aloha. And we'll add a few more elements. You can search whatever you want to search for. So we're going to add a line here to separate our shop name and our slogan. And with any of the shapes too, you can change the color of or the size of. So pretty simple, very easy to use, and looks pretty good. This is a quick one we threw together, but you can spend some time on yours and make it your own, customize it how you want so that it fits the feel of your shop that you want. Alright, so we'll go ahead and download this. On the top right hand side you'll click download. You can save it as a PNG and then hit download, and that will download to your computer so that later you can upload it to your Etsy shop. So say preparing your design, and then that will save to your computer there. Alrighty, so there's your shop banner. Really quick, really easy when using the templates with Canva. Next we will design our shop icon, and these are 500 by 500. You can use the templates or you can create your own from scratch. But the templates make it so easy, and they usually look a lot nicer than ones you do by yourself. So we'll choose the template that we want, and we will make this cohesive with our banner. You want them to match, you want it to look good, so that when people click through to your shop, they can really remember your shop by its appearance. And you do want to remember that your shop icon is fairly small, so you want to avoid too much text so that it's legible and really, really easy to read. So again, we'll just add our shop name here, Kavelakai clothing. And then we'll add another element. We'll match the element that we had in our banner, so we'll use the leaf again. And you'll notice those purple lines that pop up. That's for snapping features, so you can make sure that it's centered. Alright, so we finished our shop icon. We'll now download it just how we did with our banner. So on the top right hand side you'll click download, and download as a PNG again, and save it to your computer, and you are ready to upload these to your Etsy shop. Okay, so really simple, really easy to use. That's canva.com. Go and check that out so that you can get your shop up and running and looking really good. Please be sure to check out my next video, and I'll show you how to upload your banner and your shop icon, as well as build out the rest of your shop so that it looks clean, professional, and ready for your new customers. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I am here to help you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.